all these things because you read books and they may be useful for you. I tell you honestly, I shouldn't have lived one another day if he had wounded himself fatally. Yet, I'm courageous. I've decided to tear this love of mine out of my heart by the roots by marrying Medvedenko. If you knew what it feels like to love someone without hope for years and years and wait forever for something that is never gonna come true, I shall not marry for love. But marriage will at least bring a change. It will cure the deadened memories of the past. Shall we have another drink? Don't look at me like that. Women drink oftener than you imagine. They do it in secret, not only as I do, but it's either brandy or vodka. You are so sweet. And I'm so sorry to see you go.